What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Look where your boy is at. If you had to guess, what would you guess? I'm in the Dominican Republic, Punta Cana.
Yes, sir.
A resort called Secrets, which is backwards, I believe. You might be able to read that. Reason why I'm doing this video, which is a different video, because if this is your first time tuning into the channel, I am a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, yard sales, all that good stuff. If you like stuff like that, subscribe, because that's usually what I do. I do got a little reselling in this video, but I wanted to do this video because the reason why I do the things I do is to enjoy stuff like this. All right. Matter of fact, let's throw the drone up.
Yes, sir.
Nice, ain't it? I didn't want to really fly over the resort because I want to respect people's privacy and stuff like that, but I did get some footage on the beach. I got a bunch of footage. This is actually my last day here, and I wanted to kind of narrate this video, all right? Kind of show you guys exactly a little bit of what I did here. But first, I do have some sales, man. Let's go back to the US and ship that stuff off. For some reason my beard's bad. I don't know what happened.
Bruh.
Anyway, since I'm back here, just want to show y'all what I sold real quick. Then I can get back to doing what I'm doing on vacation. You understand what I'm saying? First thing that went out is Winston koozie. Is that what it's called? I packed it up. I forgot, and so I can't show you exactly what I'm talking about. But I have sold one in the past. It actually went for, let me get some light in here, man. I'm used to the light. I'm on vacation. It's all dark and gloomy back home. But it's light in Dominican Republic. So let me help and show you what I got so I can get back to doing what I'm doing, all right? It's up for $13.99 plus shipping. I actually left the other two in the car. So I'm gonna have to go in the car and show you what I got. Because I ain't selling many things. I only showed like 3 things. I'm on vacation. I'm not worried about that. So let's get to the car and see what we sold. Yeah, lucky I love you. I didn't plan on coming back to the States to show you all this stuff, but I love you. So let me show you the stuff, get in the post office, ship it, so I can get on with my vacation. You understand what I'm saying? A pair of earrings. These actually sold for $20 plus shipping. I had them listed for $29.99, and I took a best offer because they've been on there a while. I had them listed high. I know I could have sold them if I would have lowered it, but I just hadn't got to it. But somebody sent me an offer. I took it. Great buy, because I got a bunch of jewelry a while back for like $60, and this right here pays for what? A quarter of it? So one pair of earrings, $20, you can't beat that. Sold another patch. This is actually a good one. This one sold for $49.99 plus shipping. As I always say, I love selling the patches. Look, this is how I ship them. Just throw them right in the little manila envelope, put them in there. They always get there safe and sound. $50, only what, $3.99? How much is shipping now? 3 something? $3.99 to ship. You can't beat that. And now I'm about to go back on vacation and enjoy my time, all right? Let's go. Okay, got those shipped off. So where did we start? So when we first got here, we spent the day on the beach, kind of chilling out in the ocean. Then we decided to go on a couple excursions. We out here getting the zip lining in, you know, having a good time. You okay, babe?
We just said we're gonna keep going.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're not gonna wait on everybody.
All right, let's just go then. Let's get it. Getting a lightweight workout in, right? I'm coming. Be down there. That's French Max did. Pop up. We're gonna be together. That was pretty nice, man, because they had like a little monkey island, goose island, stuff like that. It was very, very nice. So had a good time there. Got back to the resort, took a little nap, changed, and did the little nightlife like they have here. They have a pretty good nightlife here where they have shows and stuff like that. Hey! Next day, we did another excursion. Bruh. That's actually a memory to me. When we caught that flat time, we was all out there lifting up that van. That's a memory. You feel me? I mean, we got the tire on, we laughed about it, you know, took a couple more shots and kept it going. You understand? So, anyway, man, I hope I got everything in here. Oh, I sold something else. Man, I'm back to this gloomy place. Look at it outside. Look. I'm on the beach. I come back just because, you know, you got to make sure your customers are set, right? So, look. It's raining here in the States. I'm trying to get back to my island, you know what I'm saying? I'm out there having fun, trying to knock off the whole week. But I'm coming back and I got to ship some products out, all right? So, without further ado, let's see what we got to ship out. I actually got some shirts going out. I got a pair of boxes, I think. Stuff towards the end of the week that somebody bought that your boy had to travel back. Because I'm teleporting. That's what I'm doing. You see I'm going down my little Mario. You know, you play Mario Brothers. You heard it, Sam. I'm just teleporting back and forth. You know what I'm saying? Because I got it like that. If y'all want to know how to do that, I'll put out a video to show you how to go from country to country to country. Right now, I'm in Kentucky. When I get done, I'm going to transfer right back over to the Dominican Republic. Anyway, let's see what we got going on. Got the shirts and the boxes out. This first one is a PayPal transaction that I did with somebody. A lot of 6 shirts. It went from $155, including shipping. Y'all seen all these shirts. I'm not going to unroll them because I already got it rolled up. But of course, these are brand new shirts and box. But he said in order to make it cheaper, he don't want the boxes. So all these boxes, I just took the shirts out, which is good, fine for me because I can actually just put them in a poly bag, I always double bag it and send them on out. Yeah, dude found me on Facebook Marketplace. He messaged me and was like, "Hey, interested in the shirts, blah 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 blah." He's like, "You got PayPal?" I was like, "Yeah." So we just did a PayPal transaction. The dude had I know of the guy, so I know he's good with it. So I wasn't worried about doing it. Wasn't tripping doing it with Facebook and all that good stuff. So anyway, yeah, got that going out. Got a pair of boxes going out, and guess what? This is my first sale on Depop. Is that how you say it? Depop, I guess, or Depop, whatever.
Bruh.
I was shocked and went off because I never had a sale on Depop, and these are the only things. No, I had. Take that back. I got a shirt and some boxes on there, and the box sold. These went for $14.99 plus shipping. So, shout out to me for making my first sale on Depop.
Yes, sir.
Said I might be saying it all wrong, but yeah, that's all I got going out. I'm officially turning my stuff on vacation mode, and we're gonna live it out. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go back over to Dominican Republic. It's actually my guy's wife's birthday. Shout out to Laura. Happy birthday to you again. So she wanted to get on the boat and go over on the island. We ate and stuff like that. Very, very good time. So yeah, and then after that, we did those 2 excursions. One thing about resorts, once you go on these excursions, it's an all-day affair. All right, so you're out and you're chilling, and you kind of want to enjoy the resorting. You know, when you spend that much money, like Secrets, that's one of the top of the line resorts, and you kind of want to enjoy the resort. So the next couple of days, we just kind of chilled out. Back home, back to reality. First, I want to thank Amber Ashmore. She bought me 5 coffees on buymeacoffee.com. I got a little link down below. And if you want to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. I never really talk about it, but I guess she went through and bought me some coffee. She bought me 5. And she just said, "Thanks for all the great videos." Hey, Amber, you really don't know how much I appreciate that. Also, Mark Peters bought me one as well. Thanks a lot. That really helps out the channel. My GoPro actually broke while I was in... I'm recording my phone while I was out of town on vacation, and that's the worst time for it to break because I needed the water resistant stuff, and I wasn't able to get a lot of footage I could get because of that. It won't turn on for some reason. I don't know what's going on. It's time to upgrade, and when you do stuff like that, it helps me make the channel better, make y'all have a better experience instead of me going out here and wilding out with whatever equipment I got. So anyway, with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. For those of y'all wondering, we did take a COVID test before we went, and 72 hours before you leave the resort, you got to take one because the airline or customs requires a negative test before you can actually get on the plane. So that's actually good. That gives you a peace of mind, letting you know that everything's cool. So I got my nose pricked. Oh, it's the worst feeling ever. Twice for this trip. All right. So yes, that's why you seen our little crew without a mask, because we knew we was negative going, and we was actually negative coming back. So with all that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all be good.